All right, let's talk about your summer plans. What if you could spend it not just, learning stuff, but actually doing it? We're talking about a real opportunity here, one that could be a total game changer for your career. I'm talking about the IIT Palakkad Summer Internship for 2026. If you've ever been curious about what it's really like to be on the cutting edge of research, well, you've definitely come to the right place. So picture this. Instead of the same old summer break, you're totally immersed in some seriously cool research at one of India's top institutes. And hey, this isn't some daydream, it's a real possibility. So let's break down exactly how you can make this your reality. Okay, so what is this program really? Let's dive into the specifics, because trust me, this is way more than just another line to beef up your resume. Think of it as a guided adventure, a deep dive into the world of real-deal academic and scientific discovery. All right, get this. It's a 6-week, fully residential program. That means you're not just commuting. You'll be living and breathing research 24/7. And forget about being the intern who just fetches coffee. No way. This is all about giving you direct, hands-on experience. It's a genuine taste of what a career in research and academia actually feels like. Now for the million-dollar question. Could this be you? Are you the right fit? Let's check out the eligibility criteria and see if this incredible opportunity has your name on it. And here's the great news. They cast a pretty wide net. So if you're a postgraduate student, you can apply. If you're in your 4th or 5th year of an integrated master's program, you're in. 3rd or 4th year bachelor's student in engineering, tech, or sciences, yep, you too. And this is really cool. If you're a foreign national currently studying in India, you're also welcome to apply. It's a fantastic, super inclusive approach. Okay, but there is one really important exception to keep in mind. This program is specifically designed to give students from outside IIT Palakkad a chance to experience what it's like there. So if you're already a student at IIT Palakkad, this particular internship, unfortunately, isn't for you. So you checked the boxes and you're eligible? That is awesome news. Now, the next step is the application itself, and you'll be happy to hear it's actually pretty straightforward. Let's walk through exactly what you need to do. It really boils down to just 3 simple steps. First up, you'll visit the IIT Palakkad homepage to find their portal. Step 2, create your account. And finally, step 3, submit your application. And the best part, it's all done online. You don't have to worry about printing things out or mailing any paperwork. All right, here's a little pro tip, and this comes straight from the organizers. When you create your account, they really recommend you use a Gmail ID. Why? Well, it just helps make sure all the important emails and updates land in your inbox and don't get lost in some spam folder. It's a tiny thing that could save you a huge headache later on. So what are they looking for when they select people? Well, it's not just about grades. They take a holistic approach. That means, yeah, your academic record matters, but they're also looking at your aptitude for research, any cool stuff you've already accomplished, and what you're passionate about. It's really about your potential, not just your past performance. Okay, so you've put in the work, you've submitted your application. Now let's get to the really exciting part, the perks. Because beyond the amazing experience, there are some seriously fantastic, tangible rewards that come with being a part of this program. First off, let's talk about the time commitment. We're talking 6 full weeks. That's a solid chunk of time, right? It's long enough to really sink your teeth into a project, learn some new skills, and actually make a meaningful contribution. You're not just going to be watching from the sidelines here. And to make sure you can focus 100% on your research, they've got you covered financially. You'll get a stipend of 12,000 rupees for the whole program. It's there to help you out with your living expenses while you're on campus. So let's just recap the whole package. What you really gain. You walk away with an official internship certificate, perfect for your resume. You get that invaluable hands-on research experience we've been talking about. You get to play with high-end hardware and software tools, stuff you might not have access to otherwise. And on top of all that, there's on-campus accommodation available, though there are some charges for that, which just makes the whole experience super convenient and immersive. Okay, listen up, because this next part is super important. An opportunity this good obviously has some firm deadlines, so it's time to get your calendars out. This is your timeline for getting everything done. Seriously, you might want to grab a screenshot of this. The application portal opens up on February 23rd. The big one to remember is March 22nd. That's the deadline for domestic applicants. You'll find out if you got in by April 8th, and then you've got until April 20th to confirm you'll be coming. And then the adventure kicks off on May 20th. So you've got the timeline. But you're probably wondering, what kind of research would I even be doing? Well, the opportunities are super diverse. Just as an example, you could end up working on something like the Palakkad Solar Information Gateway. I mean, how cool is that? You'd be working with cutting-edge data in renewable energy. And that's really just a tiny glimpse of the kind of high-impact stuff you could be a part of. So there you have it. The opportunity is on the table. The path to apply is crystal clear. And the rewards are, well, pretty amazing. This could honestly be the launch pad for your entire career in research and innovation. So I guess the only question left to ask is, are you ready?